Welcome to WebStylePress. So Visual Studio Code update is here and I see a very interesting built-in new feature for this code editor. It is support for built-in fast bracket colorization. I have been using Visual Studio Code extension to colorize code brackets. Let me show you. From extension, if I search colorize, I have this bracket pair colorizer. It allows matching brackets to be identified with colors. It's a pretty good extension. Let me show you some code example. And look at this. There is a difference between nested brackets. In this way, you can easily recognize code and it helps you to easily navigate through code. But they say we don't need this extension now. So I will disable it and I will reload Visual Studio Code. You see now there's no bracket colorization. So this is the Visual Studio Code update release page and here is the update, built-in fast bracket colorization. And all we have to do is to add this code in user settings in Visual Studio Code. So let's copy this. And from Visual Studio Code, click at settings, then go to settings and click at this little icon. Open settings, JSON file. Now here somewhere, add this line that we copied. Editor.bracket pair colorization.enabled true. Save. And now the colorization is back without any Visual Studio Code extra extension. So this is really a great addition. You don't need any extension to colorize code brackets. Visual Studio Code extensions can make code editor a bit heavier and slow to respond. So if you don't want to use an extension, here is the built-in support for bracket pair colorization. Just add this line and your Visual Studio Code editor should be updated to this version for this new feature to work. So let us know if you use bracket pair colorization support for Visual Studio Code or not. And if you do, which extension were you using? And is this new feature will be helpful or not? Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.